Many thought that it was a joke at first, but Skillibeng teams up with Nicki Minaj for a Crocodile Teeth remix. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV's Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel so you're updated with the latest entertainment news report. We'll be right back after the break. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. This is a place where you get the best in local and international news on entertainment. So coming up on the scoop for today, major collaboration between dancehall recording artist Skillibeng and international rap star Nicki Minaj. So the dancehall entertainer was being bashed on social media for the past few weeks based on the fact that he made a post on his Instagram page citing a collaboration with the international rap star Nicki Minaj. But he's now having the last laugh after the dancehall entertainer Skillibeng landed a major collaboration this week when US rap star Nicki Minaj jumped on the Crocodile Teeth single remix that racked up more than 1 million views in just a day. With the release of this collaboration between the dancehall entertainer and Nicki Minaj, many believe that this has opened up a new door for dancehall music to be on the forefront of the international scene. But even though many were doubtful about this collaboration, it has come as a shock to many, as many believe in the first instant that Skillibeng was not actually telling the truth about this collaboration. Now this has left a number of them in shock and disbelief when the revelation was made this week of the track being released featuring Skillibeng.
So I'm sorry, y'all, that my nose is running. So we wanted to add a couple other things to get you guys excited about the re-release of the mixtape. And so what I did was I added a couple joints. So I did a remix to Crocodile Teeth. And then I did a record called Fractions on an OJ beat. And I did another song. This is actually on an original beat, but it's, you know, in the freestyle vibe. It's still, you know, freestyle type things. So that's all in preparation of, you know, of course, I'm working on the album for you guys. Hi, Halle Berry. I'm working for the album. I might have looked upon a couple new little things for the album yesterday too. So the album is coming soon. The documentary is as well. I'm really excited for you guys to see the documentary. I know you're gonna love it. Hi, Beanie Man, I love you. But no, you guys, I didn't want you to be thinking about this as some, oh my God, we gotta, you know, this is Nicki's lead single. No, to answer your questions, because I saw a lot of you guys asking that on Twitter. It's not. But it is very, very important. So, a couple things. Hi, Ming Lee. Hi, Courtney. A couple things. Papa Bear is doing great. I love Papa Bear. Yesterday, Papa Bear said, two days ago, he said, "Mama." It was so funny. He said, "Mama." And I happened to be recording him. I was like, "Say it." And he kept on saying, "Mama, mama." And he was like yelling at me because I didn't realize he was saying it a bunch of times until I went back and played the video. And I said, "Oh, I see why my little baby was yelling at me, because mama wasn't hearing him saying mama all them times." And yes, so he said mama. I might put that out because it's so cute. But then on the other hand, it's, you know, it's like my baby. And I don't know yet. I'm so overprotective. I'm, you know, a mama bear. But so those are the 3 joints. If you are on my mailing list, I did a really dope little letter for you guys that you will get. You will get a letter from me. It's going over a few things that just went down in the last few months for me. As always, I have to tell you guys that I fucking love you so much. Hi, Tamar. Because you always make me feel happy. Even when I stay away for a long time, you always make me feel happy. This little hiatus was really fun because I was, in mommy mode, but also I went through like this crazy little writer's block for a second. And if you are an artist, no matter what you do, like, you know how crazy it is when all of a sudden, like, you can't really flex your art the way you used to. So I did go through a little bit of writer's block. And I was like, damn. And then all of a sudden, I got... You know what? I hit Drake and I asked him. I was like, "Yo, I'm doing this mixtape. Who got the hottest shit out right now? Who should I jump on? Blah blah blah." And he was like, "Here." So he sent me something. So that's one of the things that you will hear tonight.
The remix is one of 3 new tracks on Nicki Minaj re-released Beam Me Up Scotchy mixtape. The first time her breakout mixtape is available on all streaming platforms. The other tracks on the Beam Me Up Scotchy are Seeing Green with Drake and Lil Wayne and Fraction. So this is a major collaboration for the dancehall entertainer who has been steadily climbing the waves of the dancehall recording scene in recent weeks. Earlier this week, Skillibeng was jacked mercilessly by internet users after he shared a now deleted post pointing to the pending remix of the above mentioned hit single Crocodile Teeth, which features rap star Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj have had a long time history of empowering dancehall collabs such as with Egyptian, Sean Kingston, Beanie Man, and a number of others. This Caribbean team up sent Skillibeng's career on an upward spiral trend, and I hope that this goes well for the dancehall entertainer who has been made in a steady stride in the dancehall entertainment scene since he broke on the scene. So big collaboration between the dancehall entertainer Skillibeng and Nicki Minaj right now out there on all social media platforms, and this has just been one of the most publicized news event for this week in entertainment, as this has sent shockwave throughout the entire entertainment scene, as many were doubtful about this collaboration and now they are left speechless. So we'll continue to chat this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you for always continuing to support the movement of Links 007 TV.